Okay. Good day to one and all. So this is probably the second to the last set of instruction that I'm going to give the Secretariat of the LUMAT CAS Research Colloquium 2025. So I have a couple of things to discuss for both BAELs second year students who are taking up pop culture this semester, and likewise to the communication 203 students, back two students who are taking up uh, communication, society, and culture. So let me just share, moving forward, what are the remainder of the semester during the last 6 weeks. So I'd like to acknowledge your best effort for the October 14 to 16 uh, Dalumat Colloquium. Ano? However, there are things that we need to uh, prepare and come up before the semester ends. Ano? So in lieu of your final exams. So after the colloquium, we need to produce the proceedings. So at least the draft of the proceedings, and likewise the buslo ng Marinduque Journal. Ano. So I already discussed some of the parts to the foreign language students, the third year BAEL students who presented during the first day. And I already met with the communication students, both sections 3B and 3A, who are taking up cross-cultural presentation, who comprise the presenters during the second day. And I'm going to meet with the social work student who are taking up pop culture this semester. So between October 20 to 24, uh, I discussed the initial output they need to prepare so that they'd be able to send to you the draft of the journal articles and the revised poster presentation for consolidation for the proceedings. So I understand that by next week, there's no class because it's our student days. So between 28 29 and 30. So however, on October 31, I'd like to see the progress that you made. So given that the BAEL students, the communication student, and the social work students have made progress with their paper presentations and their journal article format to be submitted and to be consolidated for the Muslo ng Marinduque. So we'll make some adjustments because considering the time that is remaining, so we need to strategize. Ano? So that's for October 27 to 31. So it's good that you made the Google Drive. So that's also my reference for the paper presentation slides and the intermission, the Pecha Kucha, the SDGs, and also the Multo ng Isla recording. So that is good for the proceedings. So between November 3 to 7, so I asked the PAELs, the communication and the social work students to prepare their respective output in foreign language and cross-cultural communication, and also in pop culture. So on November 10 to 14, so this is the time that we need to produce the draft proceedings. Ano? So just come up with the editable draft so that we can make some changes. Ano? So considering the complete submission of the BAEL's communication and a social work student. And on November 17 to 21, I think this is the time for the Strasuk Olympics that the MARSU is going to host. So I also have separate uh, instruction for the students who are taking a foreign language, cross-cultural communication, and pop culture. And at the end of the semester between November 24 to 28, so that's the time that we need to finalize the proceedings and also submit the Muslo ng Marinduque draft uh, issues. You know? So I realized that considering the number of the papers presented, so we need to at least produce 5 articles. So at least 3 articles, at the most 5 articles for each uh, issue. However, I'm going to show you later, there are only two. Some of the issues only have 2 articles. So that's not a good thing, you know, because there are at least 5 articles that is not yet presented and not yet submitted to the Google Drive. So I already identified which are the lacking articles and the poster. Ano? So the article is for Busluna Marinduque, and the poster is also to be included in the proceedings. So let me reiterate the rubrics and the standard parameters that we're looking for the paper presentation based on ICSTA. So 20% is allotted for the problem definition and methodology, and likewise for the theoretical and conceptual framework. So it's not for you to say, but these are the things that we need to look for, the journal articles. So clear problem statements and materials and methods, and also the framework. Ano? And the highest weight that is given is for the results and conclusion. So as you have noticed, I pointed this out during the duration of the Dalumat colloquium, that they should not only include the summary of findings but the actual results in the chapter 4 of the manuscript that responds to the problem statements in the chapter 1. Ano? So that's 30%. So that's the biggest percentage. And it's also included 15% for the paper write-up. So meaning there's an abstract, there's a introduction, materials and methods, results, and discussion. And also, this is the same weight given to the presenters. And so how they presented during the colloquium, ano, last October 14 to 16. So moving on, so the poster presentation also have rubrics based on ICSTA. So first off is the visual impact and design. So this is the highest weight, so 25%. And 20% is given to the content clarity and organization, likewise to the relevance and contribution to the research, and also presenter engagement and communication. So I discussed this already with the BAELs and communication students thoroughly. So I hope they are going to correspond accordingly. And the last criterion is for readability and accessibility. So 15%. So all things being considered, so this is to be included in the proceedings. But the paper to be included in the Muslo ng Marinduque, so we need to have at least 80% of the points, ano, to be included. So that is not for you to pass judgment. Ano. So as long as there's a complete draft of the journal article, so you may include in the draft. But the final copy to be launched during the next colloquium. That's why I asked for a resolution from the Communication Society to the Language Enthusiast Society and also the Social Work Society to institutionalize the colloquium so that in the succeeding reiteration of the CAS Research Colloquium, so this would be considered. So I have yet to make an announcement regarding the final exams for Pop Culture and Communication 203. But I am inclined to exempt the both of your classes if um, your draft proceedings and your draft uh, output for the Buslo na Marinduque is satisfactory. So for Buslo ng Marinduque, so this is our adjustment. So I understand I've given a different set of instructions before. So I hope you'd be clarified. So again, I hope there are at least three articles each issue, but you would notice here in 2016, there are only two. So ideally, there's one more for social work students. But I think issue number two, we can proceed with the draft because we already have five articles. So from BAELS, from communication and social work. But for issue number three, four, five, and six, we only have a couple of journal articles. So we're still awaiting for the social work journal articles. So likewise with issue number seven. But in issue number eight, so we have at least six uh, presentations. So I'm hoping that we'd be able to produce an issue. So at the very least, so uh, I'd like to see the draft of issue number two, issue number three, and issue number eight. Ano? So yung issue number two, so we will supplement this with the social work students and also the research journal of the BAELS. Ano? So we'll get some articles there and supplement it so that we can produce at least five or at the most five journal articles. So yun lang, tatlo lang yun ano, out of eight. So yun draft. So issue number two, number three, and issue number eight. So that's enough for me. So kung yung iba ay hindi pa, so we will wait in the succeeding semester for the next colloquium. So this is the instruction for the communication students for cross-cultural communication. But for you to make sense of this, so this is based on the research roadmap of the College of Arts and Social Sciences. So this is almost the same grouping. So I divided this into four. So meron naman siyang formula. No? So may research agenda, meron extension agenda. So on one hand, meron research roadmap and also meron din extension roadmap. So this is divided equally sa apat na grupo. And for the next part is the compilation of the um, colloquium presentation. So between 2016 to 2024. Ano? So from the communication, from the BAELS, and also social work. So for pop culture students, I included in the GC the link of the previous output of the pop culture class. So I'm going to go back to this, the 120-second proposals, the Island Shorts, and the folk song rendition. So please be guided accordingly with the sample. So but on the onset, what I'd like to have is your in the form of the 122nd proposal island shorts and also the folk song rendition. So there's no time really to conceptualize, but I'll give you the task of basing it from the LUMAT colloquium. Ano? So like say what I presented to the cross-cultural communication students. Ano? That's only for pop culture students. For communication 203 students, I'll prepare something else in lieu of your final. So I have yet to decide. Ano. Okay, so I think that's about it for now. So I wanted to show you the basis for so far what I have consolidated from the colloquium. So I hope you'd be able to complement this. So this is only my estimation. So you have to verify this as well. Okay. So for day one, so there are four presenters from section 3B during the afternoon, four more. So in total, eight. So during the second day, there are eight presenters as well. So given the authors and the presenters and the year of the manuscript or the research. However, the social work students only presented a couple of manuscripts. So I hope that they would be able to catch up. So otherwise, I don't think we'd be able to complete the Buslo ng Marinduque. But at the minimum, at least would be able to have at least three issues. Okay, so for the intermission, this is only good for the proceedings. So you include the Pecha Kucha slides and the SDGs presentation. However, the video, so perhaps you can just have the screen grab or screenshot of their presentation. So, in the same manner with the slides, ano? So, hindi naman per slide. So, yung parang handout, ano? So, parang eight slides in one page. So, that is good enough for me. But in the social work case, so in video, so screen grab na rin ito. Tapos yung kundiman, picture na lang. And probably if you can produce lyrics or the words to the Mutya ng Pasig kundiman, so please do so as well, supplemented by the pictures of Miss Hoven. So that's for the proceedings. So for the poster, you also include this in the proceedings. Ano? So I pointed out some of the discrepancies. So my instructions are do not duplicate the paper presentation. So for example, 2016 yung paper. So dapat yung poster ay 2024. So on and so forth. Pero kung 2016 yung presentation, tapos the same presentation yung ginawa ng poster, so I asked them to produce another one ano, para makompleto natin. So meron dito mga nakakulay pula who submitted. So back to the poster presentation to be included in the proceedings. So I pointed out na 2016 yung presentation, tapos 2024 dapat yung poster. But kung 2016 yung presentation, tapos 2016 din yung poster, I asked them to produce a poster of the 2024 manuscript instead of the 2016. So meron ginawa yung Baels na dalawa na pareho. Tapos meron din ginawa ang communication na isa na pareho. But yung social work, so lima yun hindi nila nagawa. In total, 19 out of 24 yung kanilang poster. So I'll send this to you so that you have a reference, and please supplement this when you coordinate this with them. No? So for clarification, so please let me know. I would not be able to meet you tomorrow, so I'll be attending the Kabansa Local Studies Summit in Manila. So thank you, and please bear with me. So it's only 6 weeks before the semester ends.